Shri Ganeshaya Namah. The much awaited festival of Ganesh Chaturthi is finally here. This festival is incomplete without offering Modak to Lord Ganesha. In this episode, I will be sharing with you an instant Shahi Modak recipe that I offered to Lord Ganesha this Ganesh Chaturthi. This Shahi Modak recipe is easily prepared without any cooking on stove. Let's begin. I have used mishri in place of sugar as I will be offering it to the Lord as bhog, but you can use sugar in case you do not have mishri. Modaks, these traditional sweet dumplings, are said to be Ganpati's most loved food. Hindu mythology has various stories on the creation of Modaks and their importance to Ganesha. One such story says, the Devas once presented a divine Modak to goddess Parvati, who declared that whoever ate it would be blessed with profound knowledge in scripture, science, art and writing. When her sons, Ganesha and Kartikeya, refused to share the sweet, Parvati devised a challenge. The first to circle the world 3 times would win the Modak. While Kartikeya flew off on his peacock, Lord Ganesha symbolically circled his parents, acknowledging them as his universe. Impressed Parvati rewarded him with Modak, making it his favorite treat. Lord Ganesha's love for Modak is a timeless tale of devotion and delight, symbolizing his affection for life's simple pleasures, and hence making it a beloved tradition among devotees. Dear viewers, hope you liked my today's recipe. Do try this instant Shahi Modak recipe this Ganesh Chaturthi and seek divine blessings from the Lord. For more such interesting content, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon for further updates. Also mention which Modak did you offer Lord Ganesha in the comment section below. May you all be blessed with good fortune and prosperity. This is Traditional Tales signing off for the day. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi and happy cooking.